Hello, my name is Daniel Juhno Lee. I am an ear, nose, throat doctor based in Seattle, Washington, and here is what's happening this week at the Seattle Science Foundation. Dr. Mark Harrigan from the University of Alabama, Birmingham will discuss blunt cerebral vascular injuries at our cerebral vascular Q&A series on Wednesday morning. Thursday, we will hold our Neuroradiology Grand Rounds Case Conference. And Saturday, we will hold our third annual Image-Guided Interventional Spine Procedures course. This course is an advanced training course that will cover the latest and most cutting-edge interventional spine procedures. We will discuss the backgrounds behind these procedures as well as the literature supporting them and the coding and billing information around performing these interventions. The hands-on bioskills lab will provide learners with first-hand experience with cutting-edge interventions. The focus of this course represents the next phase of evolution in minimally invasive image-guided surgical treatment of the spine. As always, you can register for our courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for your support of the Seattle Science Foundation.